Hey, how's it going? It's Michael Cruz, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how to start making money on TikTok. You heard that right. So before you go like, wait a minute, isn't that like an app for kids only? Well, not anymore. Apparently, there's people making money on TikTok right now. There's people that are generating leads. There's people that are actually growing their businesses using TikTok. I mean, me, for example, I'm on YouTube, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook, but all of a sudden just within 3 or 4 days of making videos on TikTok, I've been getting results. I've been getting leads. I've been getting a lot of traction on it, and this is why I decided to make this video so you can also get into this and start banking and start getting some cash. So if you're a person that's looking to make $100 per day, guess what? You can do this on TikTok, and I'm gonna show you what's going on very quick. So okay, so this is what's been going on. So as you can see, back in May of 2019, TikTok, was the trend. It wasn't trending much back then, but as you can see throughout this last year or so, it's been growing and growing and growing and growing and growing to right now. More businesses are actually joining TikTok, and this is a great opportunity. This is where like YouTube was when it first started, right? Or where Instagram was when it first started. This is the time for you to get on TikTok because you can start getting results. You can start being financially free. And I know I'm gonna show you in a bit. There are people making money on TikTok, not just little money. I'm talking about having like $1,000 days, having and they're generating tons of leads by the hundreds. It's crazy. So let me share with you what's been going on. So let me show you the TikTok app. So basically, the first thing you want to do, you want to pull up your phone, right? Whether it's an iPhone or an Android, and you want to pretty much go to the store, right? You want to get the app. So that's the first step. So you want to go, you want to go to either the App Store if you have an iPhone, or go to the Google Play if you have an Android. You can also get on the Amazon App Store as well and download the app. That's the first thing you want to do. Then secondly, you want to create your profile. So just as you were creating an Instagram account, this is how you're gonna create TikTok. And when I tell you that people are making money with TikTok, all they're doing is pretty much creating 15-second, 30-second videos, 1-minute videos, and that's it. And they're being able to bank. So as you can see with TikTok right here, it's like a platform for just people to entertain, be silly, show me what you got kind of thing, you know what I mean? And people just pretty much are sharing, they're expressing themselves. But up until now, people thought that TikTok was just for like, teenagers, just people, doing random moves and things like that. But I guess that since people had to like stay home more, they were actually joining TikTok. So there's a lot of traffic. There's a lot of people joining each day now, and they're actually using this platform. So this is a good opportunity for you to expose your business, for you to grow, for you to earn income on TikTok. And let me show you what people are actually doing. So there's a challenge. There's a 7-day TikTok challenge that I started myself, that I'm a part of, and that you have the chance to be a part of too. Just check out the link below. But with this challenge, let me show you some of the results that people are actually getting. So look at this guy right here, Barry, for example. He said, wow, just made a sale off TikTok. Only started putting up videos yesterday. You see how insane that is? It was just yesterday he started putting videos, and he already made a sale. He already earned money on TikTok. Look at this. Let's take Linda. Let's take Linda. So here are my results. She says, from the 7-day challenge, I have been on TikTok for 10 days. She's generating 160 to 180 leads a day. And this morning she woke up to 123 leads, and it has climbed up to 190, and her day is not done. Insane results in a very short time. You see, this is the TikTok is actually, and this I'm pretty sure it's breaking news for a lot of people, but it's actually the go-to place now to generate traffic, to to get leads, to grow your business, to make some cash. So if you've been wondering, how you can make, let's say, $100 per day, TikTok's the place to go. And in the link below, you're going to learn how you can do it, how you can make it happen. So let me show you more results here. So we have, you see the challenge I spoke about. So the TikTok challenge results, they had a huge spike in followers and views for business builder sales. So they're making sales, in their business. They're generating leads, and they're coming every day. Look at this. Look at this. This is just 7 days, and he had 10,687 views. Okay? And look at this guy right here. And there's more down, there's more down to scroll down, which you can check out yourself by accessing this challenge. So, uh, how you can start making money on TikTok, starting today. Well, if you want to start, if you want to get started, go ahead and click the link below. Get access to that video, watch the video, and you can check more results at the end. Just simply get started. Again, this is only doing 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and 1 minute videos. I'm on TikTok as well, and I'm telling you, I've only been there for like 3 days or so, and I'm getting crazy engagement. I'm getting my videos are being viewed by the hundreds each day, and it's crazy what's going on. So I'm not trying to hype anything up. It's just that a lot of people are getting results. I'm getting results, and I want you to get results. So if you want to start earning money on TikTok, check out the link below, and get started.